Ladies and gentlemen, first up, the drones lighting up the night sky. Absolute beautiful sight. And the first one, we begin with a very prominent and powerful symbol, bold, striking and proud. This is the logo that some of you might be very familiar with. It's coming to shape, it's coming, setting in position and bringing you a beacon of how far we've come. Of course, coming up, ladies and gentlemen, coming closer and closer towards you.
Can you figure that out already?
Ladies and gentlemen, and with the lineup we have SG60! From a small island to a global city, we celebrate 6 decades of courage, growth, and unity. Happy birthday, Singapore! Drones are getting positioned for the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, see whether you can figure this one out. Now, 2 hands image reaching out, holding firm. One nation, one people, stay united. The quality of unity.
Watch as the drones dance into a ring of figures. Then we have people holding hands, spinning with joy. This is a masterpiece by NUS student Chu Sing Hee comes alive in our night sky. Together we shine, together we thrive. This is a single spirit, united, resilient, forever moving forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are enjoying the drone show, make some noise, Northwest! What a beautiful spectacle. And now, this will be a scene that you might be very familiar with, forming right before your eyes. Our home, our Lion City, from our humble shop houses to our towering skyscrapers to a smart and sustainable future. This